Hello and welcome back to Mrs. Torres's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to classify triangles. This is the third time that I'm recording this video because the sound for some reason didn't work. So I will probably be going pretty fast. If I'm going too fast, please just pause it. Make sure you get all the notes and then you can listen to what I have to say about these triangles. Alright, so the first way we can classify triangles is by its sides. The first one we have here is equilateral. You can probably guess that means that we have 3 equal sides, right? Equilateral, equals kind of in the name there. So if I draw a picture here, we can label it A, B, C. There's 2 ways that we can know this is an equilateral triangle. I can tell you that all these sides are 10 inches, or I can put these little tick marks. So even without the 10 inches, without having a ruler, I can just put these little tick marks, and that says, hey, all of these sides are equal. If I want to talk about this triangle, I can say triangle A, B, C. Any combination of the letters works. I just chose A, B, C. And we can also write an equivalent statement about this triangle. We can say A, B equals B, C equals C, A. Right? All our sides are equal. That's what that statement says there. Next, we have isosceles. Isosceles, we have 2 equal sides. So let's label our triangle ABC. This time I'm going to tell you these 2 sides are 10 inches. And this side is 6 inches. Or I can use our tick marks. So the 2 that are equal each have 1 tick mark. The one that's not equal has 2 tick marks. And our equivalent statement here would be AB equals BC. Last scaling means no equal sides. So if we draw a triangle like that, triangle ABC, I'm going to tell you that side's 6 inches. That side's 8 inches, and let's call this side 10 inches. Again, I could also just use my tick marks. 1 tick mark, 2 tick marks, 3 tick marks. No equivalent statement because none of the sides are equal. Next, we can classify by angles. Equilateral meant all sides are equal. Guess what angular means? All angles are equal. So we've got A, B, C here. Instead of using tick marks, we can use little arches. And that means the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle B equals the measure of angle C. Now, if all the angles are equal, and we remember that all of the angles in a triangle, in any triangle, always add up to 180. If we take 180 and divide by 3, we'll get 60 degrees. So in every single equal angular triangle, all of the angles are 60 degrees, no matter what, because that's what they need to be equal. Also, I want you to know that in an equiangular triangle, since all the angles are equal, that means all the sides are equal as well. So if we have an equiangular triangle, that means it's also equilateral and vice versa. Next, we have an acute triangle. In an acute triangle, all angles are acute. And remember, acute means less than 90 degrees. So if we draw a triangle here, we've got A, B, C. Let's say angle A is 75 degrees, angle B is 40 degrees, and angle C is 65. Notice they're all less than 90, so we can call that triangle an acute triangle. Next, we have obtuse. So we know there's going to be some amount of obtuse angles in this triangle. Let's draw an obtuse angle. That means it's greater than 90, right? There's an obtuse angle. Could I ever have a triangle where there's two obtuse angles? If we tried to do that, that's what it would look like, right? These are both obtuse. There's no way we can make this situation into a triangle. So in order to have an obtuse triangle, you just need one obtuse angle. One obtuse angle, and obtuse, of course, means greater than 90 degrees. So if we draw one looking like that, that's 100 degrees. There's our one angle. And lastly, we have a right triangle. In a right triangle, again, it's just one right angle. And of course, that means it equals exactly 90 degrees. So if we draw a triangle, put our little box there, that is our 90-degree angle. And again, this one is only one angle, right? If we draw one right angle, there's no way we could have another right angle and make this picture into a triangle. We would have to connect it like that. So there can only be one right angle or one obtuse angle. Acute means all of them. All right, see you in my next video.